When my husband asked for a DNA test, I thought he was joking. He wasn't smiling. He wasn't angry. He just looked uncertain. And somehow, that hurt more. Our son was only 3 weeks old. 3 weeks. His fingers were still curling around nothing. His eyes still searching for light. And I was still learning how to sleep in pieces. Life was fragile, soft, exhausting, but beautiful. Or at least I thought it was. Maybe we should do a DNA test. He said it quietly, like he was asking about the weather. I laughed at first. Then I realized he wasn't laughing. "Why would you say that?" I asked. He didn't look at me. He stared at the crib instead. "My mom thinks he doesn't look like me." There it was. Not his doubt, hers. His mother had never liked me. She was polite, always smiling, but her compliments felt sharp. "You're very independent," she once said, which sounded like praise, but wasn't. The first time she saw the baby, she held him carefully, too carefully. She studied his face like a puzzle. Then she said, "He doesn't have our family eyes." I smiled. I said, "Babies change." She didn't smile back. After that, small comments began. "You were working late during your pregnancy." "Men are blind when they're in love." "Trust is good, but proof is better." Little sentences, like drops of water. Slowly, they shape something. I began noticing changes in my husband. He didn't hold the baby as long. He stopped saying, "our son." He said, "the baby." Small difference. Big meaning. One night at 2 a.m., I was feeding the baby alone. He was asleep on the couch. I watched my son's tiny chest rise and fall, and I whispered, "You don't have to prove anything." But maybe I was saying it to myself. The next morning, I asked him, "Do you believe her?" He hesitated, just for a second. But hesitation is louder than accusation. "I just need peace of mind," he said. Peace of mind, as if I had stolen it. I didn't scream. I didn't cry. I said, "Fine, let's do it." He looked relieved. That relief broke something inside me. At the clinic, everything felt cold. White walls, bright lights, soft voices pretending this was normal. They swabbed his cheek. Then mine. Then our baby's tiny mouth. He cried. I held him close, and I felt like I was apologizing for something I never did. The waiting was worse than the test. 7 days, 7 quiet dinners, 7 nights of sleeping back to back. His mother called every evening. Did the results come? Not, "How is the baby?" Not, "How are you?" Only the results. On the fourth night, I asked him, "If it comes back positive, what then?" He didn't answer. He just said, "It will." That was not the same thing. I started remembering our wedding vows. Trust, respect, partnership. No one mentioned proof. No one mentioned laboratories. When the envelope arrived, he opened it alone. I watched his face change. His eyes moved across the page. Once, twice. Then he sat down slowly. "He's mine," he whispered. 99%. Scientific certainty, emotional damage. His mother was in the kitchen. He walked in and showed her the paper. She read it. Her lips tightened. "That doesn't make sense," she said. He looked at her, and for the first time, he didn't look like a son. He looked like a man. "It makes perfect sense," he said. That night was quiet. No celebration, no apology from her, only silence. Later, he came into the bedroom. "I'm sorry," he said. His voice was soft, genuine, late. "I didn't cheat," I said calmly. "I know." I didn't lie. "I know. You doubted me." He closed his eyes. And that silence was the only honest thing in the room. "I let her get inside my head," he said. I nodded. "But you let her get inside our marriage." That difference mattered. Trust doesn't disappear in one moment. It disappears in conversations you allow, in doubts you don't protect each other from. In silence, we stayed together. We still wake up at night when the baby cries. We still eat dinner at the same table. He still kisses my forehead before work. But something changed. Not broken, not destroyed. Just thinner, like glass with a crack you can't ignore. Sometimes I watch him hold our son, and I wonder if he sees certainty now, or guilt, maybe both. His mother doesn't visit as often. And when she does, she holds the baby quietly. She doesn't study his face anymore. We survived it. But survival and trust are not the same thing. Tell me something. If someone else can plant doubt in your partner's heart, was the trust ever strong? Or was it just untested? Comment what you think. And if you're improving your English with emotional stories like this, subscribe for more.